Hey guys, it's Kaylee here and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. As always, I appreciate it. So for this video, I recommend you sit down with a nice cup of tea and relax, because we're going to be talking about Holo Taco's most recent collection, the Tea Crèmes collection. So first, I would like to take a moment to admire the limited edition collector's box. It's a very unique and different design from all of their past collection boxes, and I think it really makes the collection stand out a bit more. The box is a cylinder shape covered in a color block pattern consisting of the different colors of the collection. Now, this is a collection consisting of 7 different nail polishes, 6 of those nail polishes being crèmes, and 1 of them being a topper. The first color I'll be talking about is See Y'all Later Chai. So this polish has a very warm and cozy feel to it. I think that makes it perfect for autumn, but because this is a nude color, it just kind of goes well with everything. French tips, nail art, a strict work dress code, and even your afternoon tea. This polish color makes me feel very professional and elegant, especially because of how smooth it looks on the nail. It doesn't look patchy or uneven in any way. That's one of my favorite things about the Holo Taco crème formula. It's so smooth and opaque and even. Now, when we add the gold flake taco, it really adds some pizzazz to a previously very traditional color. The gold flake taco works very nicely with this nude crème underneath. The almost monochrome aspect of these two polishes together looks very classy. I like it. I'm Over Brew. Ooh, I'm a big fan of this one. There's just something about the darker polish colors that just pull me in. This burgundy crème is kind of dramatic, but not over the top. It's a very deep, rich color. I just love how opaque these crèmes are. With the darker colors, you can really see how close to opaque they are after just one coat. Now, the gold flake taco. Oh my gosh, this burgundy with the gold flakes, it's just so pretty. I could wear this nail polish combination every day. Here's Butterscotch Hop. Very butterscotchy indeed. I don't think that's a word. This crème is a kind of yellow, kind of orangey color. The perfect color for fall. Makes me think of all the changing leaves. If you've seen any of my other videos, you may have heard me say, in my personal opinion, I prefer the smaller brushes. I find it a bit easier to avoid flooding the cuticle with the smaller brushes than with the larger brush, which you'll see me struggle with later. Well, I've changed my mind on that. This brush shape is actually perfect for the crèmes. I've noticed once you get used to using them, they create a beautiful cuticle line. Now it's time for the gold flake taco, a nice bit of sparkle. As you can see, the gold flake taco applies just as smooth as the crèmes and evens itself out very, very nicely. Next, I want to talk about Tea Hibiscus. Probably the brightest color in this collection, but oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. I'm in love with this deep magenta color, and it's so opaque. I think this nail polish color actually works for many different occasions and seasons. It's kind of bright, but not too bright. It's just right. Now adding the gold flake taco to this nail polish. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so much fun. I love these two colors together. I think they look very nice. The gold and the magenta. It's just, ooh, so pretty. Bring Me The Teal. So I'm kind of out of words for this polish right now, so I'll just let the footage speak for itself. And now it's time to add the gold flake taco. Ooh, it's so pretty. With the dark colors and the gold on top, it just looks so nice. I think this dark teal polish is very calming and relaxing. Makes me think of like rainy days or like a forest. I don't know, but I think it's a really nice color. So now we have made it to the last crème. This is Matcha Maker. I think this is the most unique color of the collection, but it still managed to look so good with all of the other colors. This color is so calming to me. Even more relaxing knowing that my nail polish is super easy to apply. Just like how easy it is to apply this gold flake taco. Even once the gold flake taco is dry, it feels very smooth despite having little pieces of gold flakes inside of it. And those are all of the polishes in this collection. Now, one more thing I wanted to do is to mess around with different Holo Taco combinations. So first we have a base of I'm Over Brew with Aurora unicorn skin over top, and finished off with a matte taco. This next one is See Y'all Later Chai with Everything Taco over top. Here is Heavy Metal Mixtape as a base with the gold flake taco. And I also added a matte taco, and I'm honestly torn between both the glossy and the matte finish. I'm not sure which one I like better. And finally, this is Cold Shoulder as our base with gold flake taco and the scattered Holo Taco on top. And there are so many other possibilities that I would love to explore with these different nail polishes, finding out different combinations that I can make that look really cool. Now, one last thing I would like to mention about this collection is the price. The collection in total is $60. The gold flake taco is $13, and the crèmes are all $11 each. So if you are interested in checking out these nail polishes, you can go to holotaco.com, and I will also have a link in the top of the description down below. So thank you for joining me for this kind of laid back and relaxed video all about Holo Taco's latest collection. I hope you guys have an incredible, relaxing day, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.